In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Teachable website URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to grab the shareable link for your course's public page, straight from your Teachable admin. First, open your Teachable admin dashboard in a browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click Courses. This takes you to a list of all the courses you've created in this school. If you manage multiple products, you can use the search or filters here to quickly locate the course you're working on. Next, click the course you want to share. This opens the course's management area, where you'll find settings, content, pricing, and page options organized in the sidebar or top navigation. Now, select Sales Pages. This section contains the public-facing pages tied to your course, like your main sales page and any additional marketing pages you've built. It's the best place to get a clean, student-ready link. From the list of pages, choose the specific page you want the URL for. Most of the time, that's the primary sales page, since it highlights the offer and guides visitors to enroll. If you're using a different landing page for a campaign, pick that one instead so you're sharing the right destination. Hover over or move your cursor to the page you selected and click the three dots next to it. That opens a small menu with actions for that page. Click Copy URL Link. Teachable will copy the full web address of that page to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need emails, social posts, ads, or messages to prospective students. The link will reflect your school's domain or your custom domain if you've connected one. If you don't see the three dots, try widening your browser window or scrolling horizontally. And if you manage multiple pages, consider naming them clearly so you always copy the correct link. That's all there is to it. Go to Courses, open your course, head into Sales Pages, pick the page, open the three-dot menu, and select Copy URL Link. You've got your Teachable website URL ready to share.